bars in place of multiple multiples of 5 and fees bars for both 5 and 3. That's it. So what's the return? All is this. Okay, perfect. And close it. Comment is closed. So now here we can create an int main which is taking in a void argument. Okay, inside each we are going to define an int n. Set n, that is the integer we have. So now we're going to say for n, which is equivalent to 1, and n which is less or equal to 100, increment n. Once you do that increment, here is the funniest part now. Now if n, the modulus of n raised to 3, modulus of n, and if n modulus 3, okay, if n modulus 3 is equivalent to 0, and if n modulus 3 is equal to 0, so like the modulus is 0, and n modulus 5 is equal to 0.2, then my friend, you know what to put here. Underscore put char. What is the value inside here? Fees bars. So that's what we are going to print. So, but since we're allowed to use standard whatevers, I'll just use printf statement. Printf. Here, what do we use? We're going to say fees bars. Finished. Then the next one, we'll go to the next if statement. So we have if already created. We can now say else if else if the modulus of n, of the n, else if n modulus 3 is equivalent to 0 alone, this one alone. If that's the case, then printf just bars fees. Just print fees. Else if, another else if, another else if, another else if. The n modulus 5 alone is equivalent to 0. If that's the case, then print bars. Print bars. Else, now we go into the real else point. Else, this is interesting one, man. Else, just get me the value of n. Yes. Else, just get me the value of n. Oh, sorry. I need here d. Just get me the actual value of n that is printed out. Once you do that, then if now n is actually equivalent to 100, now once n's value is equivalent to 100, if n's value is equivalent to 100, continue with the program. Otherwise, just printf for me. Yeah, if it's equivalent to 100, continue with the program. Then just print for me out the space. Because I need a space there to separate stuff, right? After that, separate everything with a new line. Print a new line for all of them, and then return the value. Which is a return 0 value to break out of the program, which is a success. That's simple. As simple as that. This is not a very complicated program to write. I just love this program, man. Yeah, I don't know what's happening. My PC is down. Let me reduce Okay, perfect. So it's back to normal. I don't know what was wrong. Let's hope the terminal is not saying that it's out. I'm getting things frozen here. Okay, so this is how the program is, and this is the part for this. And so I hope you enjoyed this one. His bus is an interesting code to write. I just love it, man. Yeah, very, very interesting. Okay, so after this, I think my PC has frozen, and I don't know why. Actually, not my PC, the terminal. This online terminal has frozen. I don't know why, but it seems not to be working. Now it's back. Okay, perfect. So now we save everything. We go in there. Let's clear up. Everything's back to normal. Let's see. Betty, could you check for us this code? We want to know where the errors are. Yeah, Betty has given us lots of errors here. Warning, please. No space before tabs. Please, no space before tabs. Line 5, line 6, and then also a space prohibited for line 21. So line 5, 6, and we have warnings there. Okay, so let's check out these warnings and fix them up. This is the beauty behind. Okay, I have to zoom out a little bit so that I can have proper view of this code. So now no, need to at least add in set number. Okay, so now we have numbers here. Now we can go on to, it says number 5. Oh, okay, now I know where the problem is. So number 6 and number 5 is talking about our what? It's talking about the description that we created here. It does not like tabs, so we created here some tabs here to make sure we were able to doesn't like tabbing. Okay, so then also 21, we talked about a space. 21, line 20, 21, 26, 21. I think we must have made a space somewhere here. Okay, here we go 21 here. Line 21 here. I did create a space here. So let's save this and see what the result will be like. My skips on popping up. Clear this up. Vi, give it to Betty.